Hey guys, once again, we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Amazon's site. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Let's explore these game-changing kitchen tools together. This isn't just a sink, it's your entire kitchen workstation in one sleek setup. A digital display shows the exact water temperature in real time. No batteries needed, so you're always washing at just the right temp. The waterfall faucet lights up and rotates with multiple spray modes for serious cleaning power. It comes fully loaded with a drain basket, metal tray, wooden cutting board, and even a built-in glass rinser and soap dispenser. With a nano-coated surface that resists stains and scratches and an offset drain that opens up storage space underneath, this sink does way more than just hold water. Seasoning bags spilling everywhere? Not anymore. Just cut, clip, and seal. This clever system keeps your spices fresh and your kitchen mess-free. Each clip comes with a sealing cap that locks in freshness and includes a built-in dispenser. Different cap designs let you shake or pour exactly what you need. The best part? The clips stack neatly onto a rotating wall-mounted rack. No drilling required. It turns your cluttered spice drawer into a sleek, organized display you can spin through in seconds. Homemade noodles with zero elbow grease? Yes, please. This cordless pasta maker takes care of everything, from shaping to pressing at the push of a button. Just pick your mold, drop in the dough, and let it roll out thick, thin, or wide noodles just the way you like. No mess, no fuss, no sore arms. It charges by a USB-C in about 4 hours and delivers up to 100 bowls on a single charge. And since it's portable, you can take pasta night anywhere, from the kitchen counter to the backyard table. This silicone spill stopper keeps bubbling pots under control while doubling as a steamer or heat-preserving lid. It fits everything from pans to plates to mugs, thanks to multiple sizes, and it handles serious heat, up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Use it on the stove, in the oven, or even in the microwave. When you're done, toss it in the dishwasher or rinse it off and let it dry. It's the kind of kitchen multitasker you didn't know you needed, but won't want to cook without. Want to make your veggies look like they belong in a fancy restaurant? This handheld spiralizer turns almost anything into beautiful twirly spirals that instantly level up your salads and sides. Potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, you name it. It's manual, so no plugs or batteries. Just twist and go. Small enough to tuck in a drawer, but mighty enough to make every plate look like a chef's masterpiece. Tired of eggs rolling around in the fridge? This auto-rolling organizer keeps them neat, visible, and easy to grab. Its tiered design holds more eggs while saving space, and each time you take one, the next rolls gently into place. No tipping, no mess. You can load your eggs by expiration date, so the oldest always rolls forward first, meaning no more guessing if you're using the freshest ones. Dry dishes, declutter, and save counter space, all in one move. This over-the-sink dish rag holds everything: plates, bowls, cutting boards, utensils, even wine glasses. It adjusts to fit sinks from 31.5 to 39.5 inches wide, making it a flexible fit for most kitchens. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, it drains water directly into the sink, keeping your counter dry and clean. With built-in holders, hooks, and compartments, it's a true all-in-one organizer. Easy to assemble, simple to wipe clean. Your kitchen just got a whole lot smarter. Tired hands from chopping? Not anymore. This 4-in-1 portable electric chopper slices garlic, chili, ginger, all at the push of a button. No more switching bowls or making a mess. Just slice straight into the pot and get cooking in seconds. It's wireless, compact, and surprisingly powerful, handling everything from veggies to soft meats with ease. Need to peel, chop, or beat cream? It's all built in. Prep time gets cut way down so you can focus on the fun part, actually enjoying your meal. On the road but still want your tea just right? This foldable electric kettle makes it happen fast. It boils up to 600 milliliters of water in just 4 to 6 minutes, then folds down flat to fit easily in your bag. Made with food-grade silicone and a stainless steel base, it's BPA-free, safe, and heat-resistant. The smart auto shutoff keeps things safe, and you can even reheat with a simple switch. Whether you're in a hotel, at the office, or out on an adventure, hot coffee or tea is always just minutes away. Why wait for delivery when you can spin up your own pizza in minutes? This countertop rotating oven does the job fast. Just pop in your pizza and watch it slowly turn as it cooks to perfection. Dual heating elements on top and bottom mean a crispy crust and gooey cheese every time, and you can choose which side heats depending on what you're baking. It's ready in about 10 to 15 minutes and uses up to 60% less energy than a regular oven. When you're done, the nonstick tray lifts right out for easy cleaning and compact storage. You can find all the product links mentioned in this video down in the description box below.